Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be sitting here today and talking to you guys about my new studio transformation. I just love the way this looks now. I love the way it feels. It's so cozy. And just for a little background, I've always wanted a walk-in closet, and I wouldn't consider this like a full-on walk-in closet, but it's a little taste of a walk-in closet. And I just love it. There's just nothing that I can really like say about it. I put a lot of hard work into it. It got done in like 3 days, and all I was waiting for are these dang on curtains that I had to wait for like almost 2 weeks for. But we're not going to talk about that. I'm so grateful. I got them in today and I was like, okay, this is a wrap. We're filming this today because I've been waiting on them to get like the video up for you guys. But I've had this room now for I think about like 2 weeks. The last week of December, I was sick, so I could not do it. So the first week of January, I took like 3-4 days of that week and just dedicated myself to my studio. And I worked so hard. Like my vision came completely to life. Like as soon as I thought of it, I executed it. And I'm just so proud of myself for that. And this room just feels like a testament to myself. But I'm not going to talk about it too deeply because y'all don't care about that. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I transformed this room. It is finally done, and this is my new space. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm not even gonna show myself right now because I look a hot mess, but this is day 1 of transforming my studio. All of this is gonna be different. I have to move all of this. You guys see how messy it got because I got so uninspired with everything. It's literally just been like getting so bad for the past couple of months. So yeah, we're about to transform this whole thing, and I am transforming it into like a walk-in closet instead of it being just like, it's still gonna be like my studio where I get work done, obviously, but I've been wanting a walk-in closet forever, and when I moved in here, I just didn't. Anyway, I'm gonna speak about all of this when I'm actually in front of the camera instead of just showing you guys the mess, but here we go. All right, you guys, so this is day 3 of working on my studio slash new walk-in closet, basically. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I decided to put all of my purses in these cubbies. That glass doesn't belong there. It's non-usable because it kind of cracked, so that's why I'm keeping it as a souvenir because it was a birthday gift from my brother. And then I still am adjusting these 3 here. I did end up using the old bookshelf for some clothes here, but I don't like how this looks. It looks a little too sloppy for me. So what I'm going to do is once everything is cleared up, I'm going to possibly switch and have some of these as clothes and then put like shoes or something here. Still figuring it out, but I rather like have everything in a set place. Also, this is miscellaneous. This is not supposed to be here, but again, something else I'm gonna figure out. I rather just have everything in its place and then go back and rearrange whatever I want to rearrange. And of course, these are the clothing racks. I'm about to put some shelves here and here, although I'm not sure about this area because it just looks already cluttered since this is here, so I'm still thinking about this area, but definitely put in some shelves here. Let me show you guys what I did with the closet. So I put this thing, what is it like, shelves, the Kallax shelves from IKEA. I remember I had 2, that the one with the purse and the ones with the purses, or the one with the purses, and now this one that I put in my closet. And I put all of my books and journals and stuff here. And then of course I have all the bins that I have, like gym clothes, hair stuff, all that kind of stuff. And then I put some shoes up here. Some clothing items that were too heavy for the racks stayed in here. I put my lights and yoga mats and stuff in here also. I do look a mess right now. I do, because I've just been working on this studio and I have not had, whatever, it don't matter. I am almost done. Right now, I just have a bunch of shoes to continue organizing, and then I have all of the things that, like the little things that were in my like shelves that don't necessarily have a place right now. But I feel like once I put the shelves up, I can kind of figure out more storage space for those things. So that's why I'm gonna do the shelves now. I also have this wall over here I'm gonna show you right now. So I have this wall here that I have this like grass looking thing on here. I'm taking these off. I already ripped some of the bottom ones off. So with this wall, I'm gonna put up the painting that I received from Juice. You guys have seen that piece in my other videos. So I think I'm gonna put this here, like maybe high up, and then I'm gonna put more shelves and storage space here, like some sort of unit going on here. But I am thinking about that because then like my walking space will be limited to get over here, which it's okay, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Also, I need to get some like really good curtains because when I moved in here, I just got these like really cheap whatever curtains just cuz, but I also don't have a curtain on this window. So I am gonna get some curtains for that space. But I did order a Lazy Susan from Amazon that I'm gonna put up here for my skincare products and perfumes. And then I'm gonna leave my brushes here, but I'm just gonna put this a lot more neater once I get that stuff. And of course my drawers is here. This is actually freaking stained because I cleaned it. Also, it has water damage from the skincare fridge that I had, which I am dumping because it was leaking all the time. And of course, it cost me to get water damage on my freaking drawers. So I am throwing that out. And also, I really wasn't using it. I had my like face rollers in there, but it's not that serious. All of that to say, I am almost done. I really just have a bunch of everywhere because, as I said, I have stuff that they just don't have a place right now, but I am gonna figure it all out. I had to clean up my apartment today and didn't get much time to get here, but we're here now and I'm gonna work on it right now. And today's Thursday, so tomorrow I am receiving some last minute pieces that I did order for here also, and I still am probably gonna have to order some more things, but we're gonna get to a good stopping point where I'm gonna be able to actually start filming for you guys for this new year. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Yeah. You guys, I am done. Well, there's a few finishing touches that I have to do. I don't even know where I left off, but I have these shelves up here. Obviously you can see some shoes. Just put these lights up. My fiance just put them up for me because I'm not that tall. Even if I stand on a chair, I'm not that tall. There was a hook here. I don't know if you guys remember I had bags here. So I used the hook just to put my hat and some belts. This fake plant, it just worked, so I left it there. I am gonna actually get some hooks to put this on the inside of the closet because these are just like my whatever bags, like everyday kind of bags. I barely even use these, honestly. This area is all completely done. Also, I put all my, well, this is garbage. This little neon light here, I don't know where to put this at. So I'm gonna put this on my desk right now. I forgot about that. But this is all done. I put all my bags here. I also switched out. I had the clothes in these shelves, but it looked too stuffed there. So now I have some space here, and I put some clothes in these two shelves here. This just belongs to this bag. So here I'm actually gonna I'm getting an ottoman to put there, a storage ottoman. So I'll put like whatever's like the last, like I have some shoes in the closet on the ground that I want to put in there. So that's probably what I'm gonna do with that space here. And these things are gonna go on shelves whenever I put the shelves up and if I put the shelves up. I still have to get curtains, so that's the last thing, well, one of the last things that I have to do. I have these 4 shelves here, and then of course my painting is gonna go up here. I am currently waiting on the command strips to come in to put them up there. This space is done as well. As you guys can see, I got the Lazy Susan or whatever, just to organizer, makeup organizer. And it has a bunch of my stuff, and I still have stuff that did not fit there. But I have my makeup brushes here also, like my skincare, and then some decorative stuff. Then of course you guys know I have my vanity, which I'm gonna take these pictures off of there and organize this much better. Of course I have like the tools and stuff, and then the calendar that I have to put up. But the room is done. I'm just so happy about it right now. Okay, you guys, sorry for the awkward setup, but honestly, I just really want to get to this. But I'm so excited because I just got one of my missing pieces for my studio. And then I also got my curtain rods. My curtains come tomorrow. And then I decided that I do have this little This is like a pet candle. I got this when Pet Cemetery came out. I got it as like a PR package for Pet Cemetery. Let me get this out and I'll be right back. All right, so this is what he looks like. He's like kind of cute, but also really weird. But I decided I'm gonna put him right here, which you guys can't see, but I'm gonna show you guys right after. And I was like, I just had it in the space where this cushion thing is supposed to go. And I was like, wait, what am I doing with him? And I was like, oh, this is a perfect spot for him. And I'm gonna show you again. Only thing I need you guys' opinion. So you see this empty space right here. I have 2 shelves left. So I was thinking of putting them up there and putting, I guess, more shoes or whatever else up there. But I also been wanting to get a neon sign for like a really long time. So should I get a neon sign or should I just put the shelves up there? Or should I do both? And do I even have that much space? I just want to fill that wall up with something because it's empty and yeah. But anyways, let me get my little cushion thing unwrapped and I'll be back. I am so excited. It's so cute. All right, let me show y'all. I'm gonna lift it so y'all can see. Look, you guys, this is perfect. And the amount of storage I have in here is crazy. I mean, it's not amazing, but it's good. Like, I need the storage. So I'm really happy about this. Unfortunately, I don't think it covers up the plug that I wanted it to cover up. This is why I got this. So I should have gotten it a little bit bigger. But hey, it's still cute and I think it fits perfectly. Let's see. All right, so this is the situation. I wanted this to take up this space to cover the plugs because the plugs look ugly. But I honestly, even though I measured it, I must have measured wrong. Well, obviously I measured wrong because it's not big enough. But it's still cute. I have to kind of look at it like when I'm coming into the room. And then these are the last 2 shelves that I said I have. This is where I decided to put the dog. Don't he look cute there? I think that's perfect for him. And then I guess I'll be back tomorrow. So I guess I'll be back tomorrow with the final update. That is going to be, yeah, that is definitely going to be the final update until I decide what I'm doing with the empty wall above my vanity. But tomorrow's going to be the final update because that's when I get my curtains. And then my room will be complete. I just have to figure out what to do with that wall. But that's not even like an issue or like a big deal to me. Everything else, A1. Let me know what you guys think in the comments because this is making me feel so good. And now, like, I've been spending so much time in here because it just feels so nice and cozy. There goes Dash. Anywho, I'll see y'all. Guys, excuse the bonnet markings. My curtains finally just came after waiting for them for like 2 weeks. I had to like reach out to Amazon customer service and everything, y'all. I'm so excited. So I'm about to put my curtains up and then we're good. You guys, look how good the curtain, like it was perfect. I really did that because I measured it and it was perfect. I love this color so much. It just blends perfectly with the entire room, and now I can say my room is finally complete. Of course, I have some finishing touches like this little space right here, but that's not even something I'm worried about. Honestly, I'm just so happy with the result of how everything looks. It's so cozy, it feels good. I'm just so happy. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the by default.